Hi guys, I am here to renovate the market. Rotary market. Rotary market is going from thousands of years, but there is no innovation on that. So here the problems we face in offline rotary market. So the problems are the limited variety. And first limited variety. The people who goes from house to buy rotary sectors from the local shop, they have to physically they used to go there and they get some limited variety of rotary. वो लोग ऑफलाइन सेक्टर में जाते हैं लॉटरी खरीदने के लिए विच हैम्पर द इन्वायरमेंट ऑल्सो लाइक lottery is to print in the paper which also hamper in environment. So here are the solution. So we turn the offline market into online market, and which is the solution of the person can sit on the sofa, relax, and they can use the device and they can play the lottery system. And वो लोग के पास बहुत सारे variety of options रहेंगे and they get more chances of winning, and there will be no paper use on that, which is not also gonna harm the environment. So here are the marketing strategy. Like we can do a guerrilla marketing, which helps to reach the local market, and we can do email marketing, social media marketing, like all the companies. And here are some basic reviews from the person. Actually, we collected from the internet what people think about the online gaming. Some of the we saw that they are facing about the trust issue. That's why the government are slowly doing illegal this thing illegal कर रहा है ये sector ये business illegal कर रहा है. It is a market of 300 million market in all over the world, and it will gonna touch about 400. And here the business model, how can we reach to how can we generate revenue by the ticket sale, by the commission, by the advertisement, by the merchant, and to collapse with the different companies. We can earn more and more money with or the extra money. So yeah, thank you.
क्विकली आंसर व्हाट ब्रॉट योर इंटरेस्ट टू लॉटरी आपने लॉटरी के बारे में ही क्यों सोचा दूसरी बात डिड यू वेरीफाई कि लाइसेंसेस मिल रहे हैं या मिलना कितना आसान या मुश्किल है
Coming on the first question, I want to share one situation. Okay, like I don't have my father, so after my father expired, I am searching opportunity what to do in the less investment. So one time I'm eating momo, and he said I already told that there is a local market, means local vendors sitting on that one table selling. So what I thought eating momos and watching them and observing them, that everything went online. Everything is everyone is playing like I already told book my show red bus is went online, but the lottery is the only sector didn't went. Like there is gathering rummy, but there is no other platform like lottery.
you check for your target audience
uh, Most of the target or the audience of the lottery is below poverty line, like rickshaw wala workers. They all
फैंटास्टिक सो ये जो बीपीएल वाले लोग हैं इनका बैंक अकाउंट्स और स्मार्टफोन्स और यूपीआईस भी चेक कर लिया
सर मैं क्या नहीं, वो लोग कस्टमर है मेनली, वो लोग कस्टमर है. ओके, तो हम क्या सोचे, वो लोग के पास तो स्मार्टफोन होगा नहीं ना ही वो लोग के पास इंटरनेट एक्सेस होगा. एटलीस्ट वो लोग के पास अभी तो मतलब इंटरनेट ग्रो हो रहा है, ठीक है, और ये ग्रो होते रहेगा. अभी उसके पास स्मार्टफोन नहीं है, लेकिन एट अ टाइम आएगा. लेकिन अभी प्रेजेंट बिजनेस को ग्रो करने के लिए हम लोग एक फीचर ऐड कर सकते हैं. क्या वो ऑफलाइन को मीन्स किसी का उसके पास स्मार्टफोन नहीं है, लेकिन एक छोटा सा फ़ोन है जिसमें से एक सिम भी है. वो लोग हर मंथली रिचार्ज भी करता है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक ऑफलाइन भी प्लेटफॉर्म स्टार्ट करेंगे, जैसे SMS थ्रू खेल सकता है. जैसे छोटे क्या करे, SMS थ्रू ऑनलाइन खेल सकते हैं. SMS थ्रू दे कैन टैप द नंबर, सेंड, and we can just generate a number. But we didn't stop here. Means I thought somewhere I want to play. Everyone, maximum of them want to play. But somewhere the social barrier, social restriction, that अगर मैं वहाँ पे जाऊँगा तो क्या लोग क्या सोचेंगे, मेरा कैसा रेपुटेशन होगा, ऐसा सोचेंगे तो ना। लेकिन मन तो करता है सबको कि यही होते जाएंगे,
ये है हमारे देश का फ्यूचर।
तो जाएंगे खेलेंगे। तो अभी इस ऐप को अगर हम लॉन्च करेंगे, ठीक है, लॉन्च करने के बाद तो क्या होगा, अब हम लोग घर में बैठे बैठ के खेल सकते हैं, ना ही हम लोग को जान पाएगा कौन खेल रहे हैं, कोई नहीं, हमको सीक्रेट हम लोग खेल भी लेंगे और सोशल बैरियर भी नहीं आएगा।
Most important thing is that it's a concept where you put in your money and make money, and I think you have to do lot of say one of the things why people go to good casinos is they have a digital display on the last 100 takes or the last 100 hits or the last 100 cards or the last 100 probable winners. This is how people get interested. It's a time pass, it's an entertainment, and there's a ready guidelines over there. So it's a good thing that you are planning to do, but I think you should go away with this idea कि हर आदमी खेलना चाहता है. That's something you don't have to. Yeah, but the good thing is that you're targeting your audience, which is with a wider angle. That is good, and good work. Keep growing.